Welcome to BorneoLux channel. Today we will introduce you how to run SaaS loyalty program with white label using our partners' AI tools. In today's competitive marketplace, customer loyalty is essential for sustained business growth. Software as a service, SaaS companies are increasingly recognizing the value of implementing loyalty programs to retain customers and enhance brand identity. White label solutions offer a unique way to create customized loyalty experiences without the complexities of developing a program from scratch. SaaS loyalty refers to the strategies and programs specifically designed to retain customers within the software as a service (SaaS) industry. To learn more about this completely, please visit us on our website at borneolux.com.